Good morning. This is Julie, and it is Monday, April 4th. And we are looking at the crude market taking a little bit of a bounce off of the bottom. And the bottom was just above the 50% Fibonacci level of the daily swing high low. So this daily low and the daily high, the 50% level is where we're just bouncing off of. So this is a technical level, and I don't expect this first one to hold. Market will most likely come back and test that, find the 127.2 on the 50% line, if not challenge a little bit below that. And the reason I think that's going to happen is because, let me pull this out so you can see it, the 61.8 is just below the yearly River of Gold value low. So that is at 35.33, the River of Gold value low, 35.33. And the 61.8 is about 34.62. So this probably will continue probing down. So we'll bounce up and down inside this sweet spot on the yearly River of Gold, which we're in right now. So I would not expect to see this bounce up and out of this area before it goes back in and tests it a few more times. So right now, definitely the market is moving up, but we're coming up into this downtrend line. That's the what is that? I think it's the 200. Yes, it's a 200 EMA. Sloping down, hitting at Friday's open and R1 and Friday's high. So this is probably going to be the top. Come back down and test this 50% yesterday, 127.2. So we may be in for a wild ride. Should price continue and reject my little trade plan, and we push up into the upside, then 38.52 is our upside target, together with VWAP. Okay. So here's the VWAP, and this is the weekly VWAP. So somewhere around up in here. But this 200 EMA is following the weekly value area low, so that's most likely where this is going to turn around. So don't get married to these longs just yet, because it's likely to fail and come back. Now, that's crude. On the Japanese yen, Goldman Sachs is saying don't buy these longs anymore. They want you out of these longs, and they're trying to jawbone the market down. I guess they were hurting on a short position that went awry. What happened with the yen was we were in a nice down move, and then Japan went negative on their interest rates, and the yen reversed because people over there in Japan were dumping their short positions and finding other markets to invest in. Their yield curve is now flat, and the yen has started appreciating. We've got a technical level at this pivot low at 0091770. But so I think there is a little bit more on the upside, but it just amazes me that, Goldman Sachs would try to jawbone this down now, and I don't know why they want to get back in a position now. But so I don't know whether to sell rallies because it is Goldman Sachs and they, number one trader in the world, they know what they're doing. So be just careful of watching this um, and seeing if Goldman is right, if they can jawbone this down and break some pivots, you might want to start shorting the yen. Okay. But back to crude. It's nice to see the green on the board. I wish this would fail and come back all the way up. But I have a feeling we're running out of room shortly. And this is all going to come back down. Starting to get my divergence right here. Yep. I'm so sorry. I'm going to be having to hit the sell button on this pretty soon. All right, y'all have a wonderful day, and here's the 30-minute 37.12. Might be a good place to tuck that stop behind or get short. Y'all have a wonderful day. Let me take a look at the website. Rules and disclosures, and then of course the risk disclosure and hypothetical performance disclaimer. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.